how to fix Cash App failed format protection error. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix Cash App failed format protection error. Failed format protection usually is an error message that can appear on Cash App when a transaction is declined or unable to be completed due to security or fraud concerns. So this feature is designed to protect users from unauthorized transaction and potential. So in order to fix it, unfortunately there's no direct way to fix payment declined for your protection, so in the Cash App as well. But what you can do is you should try double checking your payment info. First of all, double checking the phone number or the cash tag of the person you're interacting with, or if you're shopping, consider trying another vendors closer to home or closer and or with a better service. So apart from it, if none of these seems to be working out, then you can directly get help of a customer team. So all you have to do is just tap on need help right at the bottom, and then you can directly get in touch with the customer service. So in this way, you can fix Cash App failed my protection error. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.